Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Porsche Cayenne. So from any system, you've got phone there. If we go to phone, it says find telephone. You've also got options on the right hand side and Bluetooth settings. So we want Bluetooth settings. We click this button for Bluetooth settings. You've got new device or device list. Turn down to device list, select device list, and you'll see Barry's iPhone 11. Now if I click on that, it gives me the option to rename it or delete it. That's because it's not switched on. My Bluetooth's off here, and it's disconnected. So we want to delete it. Click delete. Delete from list, yes. That's it, gone.